Joking. You all need to come here because I said so. And if you don't, then I'll find your families.
Thank you so much.
Forget everything you thought you know about Sweden. Because when the sun goes down, a completely different world comes alive. The street lights up, the music gets louder, the energy rise, and the city fills with incredible style. Because people are unforgettable moments. Tonight we are stepping into a heart of Swedish nightlife, where every corner has a story. Every beat brings more energy, and the night feels like it could go on forever.
Joking. You all need to come here because I said so. And if you don't, then I'll find your families.
Welcome to Swedish nightlife, where the city comes alive with light, music, style, and energy that is impossible to ignore. Let's watch. As the sun goes down, Sweden transforms into something because the street became the brighter, a bruiser, and a full excitement. You can witness how the street of Swedish country really looks in night parties. There is something beautiful about walking through their street at night and seeing people enjoying themselves everywhere you look, every corner you peeping. People are at the corners enjoying themselves. Beautiful girls, stunning girls are everywhere in the corner. Tell me who will not like this? Who will not love to attend Swedish nightlife? If you was not into Swedish nightlife, I bet you try once. You won't regret it ever. This is nightlife where you can see the beautiful stunning girls that you really want to go for and into. What a beautiful girl. What a beautiful city. And what a beautiful nightlife. There is something beautiful about walking through these streets at night and seeing people enjoying themselves everywhere you look. What a beautiful bag. Bro, I can tell you, you won't regret it if this is your first time. I bet you try Swedish nightlife. You will never and ever regret it in your life. The atmosphere feels young, stylish, and energetic. Every corner seems to be have its own story waiting to unfold. Do you know that Swedish girls are, you know, like Sweden is a country where You will see people are partying whom they don't even know, chilling, even take you to their bed after the party. So it's not a country in which you will say the girls are overrated themselves. Bro, you won't know, but if you attend Swedish nightlife, you will understand the beauty and the nature in Sweden. The beautiful country where people party with other people who they don't even know and still open to them with open hearted. What a beautiful girls. What a stunning girls. What a gorgeous girls. Everywhere, everyone enjoying themselves. Parties blowing everywhere. The energy is extraordinary. This is the energy just like a Russian nightlife. My next video, I will bring you Russian nightlife, Moscow nightlife. It's also an energetic like Swedish nightlife. And of course, Swedish fashion is part of the experience. People here know how to look effortless, stylish. You will see beautiful dressed women, confident personality, and people bringing their own unique style to the nightlife. And Swedish nightlife, you will see the beauty. You will see how girls are partying at night. And you will see how Swedish girls are partying at night together with the tourists. What a gorgeous, what a beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful girls. But what really made the night so special? Because Swedish girls in Sweden are often admired for their natural beauty, elegant style, and confident presence. This is how everything looks natural, everything is beautiful in their life. But what really makes the night special is the combinations of beautiful people and incredible atmosphere. I can tell you this. This is how beauty is Sweden slow, and this is how everything is beautiful in the present of Swedish nightlife. Do you know like many like caught like 90% of girls in Sweden are single. So for them to go to party is very easy because they are not with their partners. They are single. So it's easy for them to go to party. The streets are growing, music is coming from venues, and everyone seems ready to enjoy another unforgettable night. What is stunning girls? What is beautiful girls? What a gorgeous girls. There is a certain freedom in Swedish nightlife. People come out to relax, socialize, and dance, laugh. There is certain freedoms in Swedish nightlife. People come out to relax and socialize, dance and laugh, and simply enjoy the moment. This is why Sweden is beautiful with nightlife. The energy keep building as the night get later. And you know what? The city became even more excitement. Can't you see the queue and how people are standing? People are moving forward. From the stylish club to lively streets, there is always something happening after dark. And you know what? You can hit and hit. You know what I say? You can hit and hit. What I mean. Just be adult and think wise. And you know what? There is a lot of beautiful women who you can see up and down. And especially the thick women. When I say thick women, you know what I mean. The backside with the chest floating. And you know what? When the girl start walking, you can even hear yourself inside her foot. And Swedish nightlife has a modern and sophisticated feeling that made being here such an amazing experience. I'm telling you guys, this is a beautiful moment that you can't forget it. The beautiful scenes and the beautiful times in your life where you could enjoy and party. Bro, you can go outside and free your mind. Look around and you will notice the confidence everywhere, the fashion and the smile, the conversation and the energy. And when the music gets louder, you can really feel the heartbeat of the city. I'm telling you, the city bomb, the people scatter, bro. The girls are crazy in the dancing floor. The boys are whining like like they don't even have bone in their waist. The beautiful lights reflect across the street while the group of friends moving from one place to another to make it more lively and more exposed. It's a kind of life, it's a kind of night where you can't forget about everything else and simply enjoy being present. And look on the girls, you became hard. The people and the music, the architecture and the lights are come together to create something unforgettable. I can tell you this. I bet you've been part of this. At least you aren't attend this and be part of unforgettable moments. You know, Swedish women are elegant. Their life and their fashion style is very unique. They are beautiful, and how they open to the society, how they open to the people. Like it's different with other countries. But in nightlife, you enjoy to the max. You enjoy, and even it stay in your memory forever. Swedish women especially bringing the detective sense of this style to the nightlife scene, the elegance and the confidence and the effortless, attractive. What a beautiful girls. What a gorgeous girls. Every group of friends, but beyond appearance, it's personality and positive energy that really make the nightlife memorable. I can tell you this. It's a nightlife it's a nightlife that you can't forget. That you can imagine how beautiful and how energetic it is. Like every group of friends seems to bring its own energy, making the street feel alive from one moment to the next.